Now that we have our graph with the trend line and the R squared, we're going to take a look at the last little bit, which is to merge boxes and make a claim about the graph using our little blue help sheet, and then merge boxes and make an evidence statement from the graph. So we're going to go back over to our Google Sheets. Underneath the graph, I'm going to grab some boxes, and those boxes that I grab, I'm just going to make a 3-row box, 5-row, 5-column, 3-row, and I'm going to go up to our tool at the very top, merge those cells. I'm going to outline it so it pops. And because we are making a claim here, I'm going to type in claim. Now, your claim is always about your Y and your X axis using your trend line. We have a trend line with an R squared value of 1, which means this is a great trend line. And when we go up to our Mentos and Coke, when we go up to our graph tool that we have, this is blue in class, but it's white here on the digital file. I see that I've got that straight line graph right here, and the written relationship is that Y is directly proportional to X. This right here, this written relationship is my claim. So I'm going to go back over and I'm going to say that Y is directly proportional to X. Our Y value right here is anger. So I'm going to say anger is directly proportional to my X value is number of Legos. That's it. My claim is done. Now I need to do my evidence statements. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select boxes. I'm going to merge them. I'm going to say, since this is my evidence statement, I'm going to call it evidence. And your evidence statement should always be your low, your high from your data, and shape of the graph. So my low, I can either look on the graph itself, or I could go back up here and I could say trial 2 was my low data. When there are only 2 Legos on the floor, my anger rating is 8. So I'm going to punch that in for my low. When there are 2 Legos on the floor, anger rating is 8. Then I'm going to go look for my high data. I go back up to the chart. My high data is going to be 15 and 450. So when there are 15 Legos on the floor, anger rating is, well, this is huge. The anger rating is 450. Now the shape of the graph matches, it's an upward slope, it looks straight. That matches my upward slope that looks straight. So this is a linear shape to our graph. Punching that back in, shape of the graph is linear. And I have my evidence statement taken care of. But when I click enter, it chops it off. So I'm going to need to go up to the top to format, once again, that text wrapping that we did earlier. And now it shows all of my statement. And when I click off the box, it's all there. Highlighting it and making it pretty, means that we are now done with this graph, this claim, and this evidence statement. Thanks for watching.